Students, this session for second year biotechnology students. Today our topic is functions of major histocompatibility complex. In previous classes we discussed the MHC role and our classification of MHC and types of MHC. In mouse H2 complex, it is present in the 17th chromosome short arm, and HLA complex in men human leukocyte antigen 6th chromosome short arm. So here the functions of MHC, they are broadly divided into 6 types. First one, production of HLA. Production of human leukocyte antigen is useful for transplantation process. Transplantation. Here transplantation is useful in organ transplantation, liver transplantation, bone marrow transplantation, and kidney transplantation, heart transplantation. Likewise, the implanted tissue from donor to recipient is called transplantation. Implanted tissue from donor to recipient. Here the genotype and phenotype individuals of the same blood groups. So here they are matched with the blood groups, same type of blood groups. Here the production of human leukocyte antigen, they are belongs to the class 1 MHC molecules. In class 1 MHC molecules, they are mainly 3 categories, and that means they are split into 3 types: B, C, A type of genes. These B, C, A type of genes can do the functions of graft rejection. So first function, transplantation of HLA, human leukocyte antigen. Then in human leukocyte antigen, the ability to produce antibodies against antigens. Antibody titer, the production of antibodies from the foreign particles, nothing but antigen, to fight against antigen. Antigen ke against ga antibodies ni produce chestayi. Coming to the second function, they are production of immune associated antigen. In immune associated antigens are involving in B lymphocytes, macrophages, monocytes, antigen presenting cells. Here the immune associated antigen, here immune response like cell mediated immune response and humoral mediated immune response. That's why they are called immune associated antigen. It belongs to the class 2 molecules of MHC. Class 2 molecules of MHC. And third one is control levels of complement components. In control level of complement components are the class 3 molecules of MHC. In class 3 molecules, they are complements like C4, C2 and factor B. Here the interaction between antigen and antibody like agglutination, precipitation, opsonization and complement fixation. In class 3 molecules can do the functions of complement. In complement, two pathways are present. క్లాసికల్ పాత్వే అండ్ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ పాత్వే. ఇక్కడ క్లాసికల్ పాత్వే అనేది ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ పాత్వే, 2 పాత్వేస్ ఉండి కాంప్లిమెంట్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ అనేటటువంటివి ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తాయి. దీన్ని మనకి టైప్ 3 మాలిక్యూల్స్ కింద ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తాం. క్లాస్ 3 MH. ఫోర్త్ ఫంక్షన్ HLA complex helps in T cell recognition. In T cell recognition, they are simply abbreviated as TLA, means T cells of leukemia antigen. So here 2 molecules like MHC molecule 1, MHC molecule 2 also responsible for fourth application like HLA complex helps in the T cell recognition. And fifth one, graft rejection. Graft rejection means some type of antigens may not able to do the immune response. So rejected antigens in transplantation process, it belongs to type 1 molecule of MHC. Then sixth one is non-immunological functions of MHC. In non-immunological functions are control of body weight in mice and egg production in chickens. These 2 are related to the non-immunological functions of major histocompatibility complex. So this is about the 6 type of functions in functions of major histocompatibility complex. First one, production of HLA in class 1 molecule. Here transplantation of organs and can do the functions of B type of gene, C type of gene and A type of gene. Here the cluster of genes are responsible. Totally 6 type of genes are splitted into 4 categories. They are called 4 type of MHC molecule. Then production of immune associated antigen like B cells, macrophages, monocytes and antigen presenting cells of the body. And the third one, control levels of complements like C4, C2 and factor B. And the fourth one, HLA complex. In HLA complex helps in the T cell recognition. Fifth one, graft rejection. And last but not least, non-immunological functions of MHC in the control body of weight in mice and egg production in chickens. So this is about the functions of MHC molecule. Thank you, students.